If you've been waiting for a luxury compact SUV that blends sharp styling, premium comfort, and modern tech without trying too hard, the 2026 Lexus NX might just be the one you've been searching for. Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we break down the hottest rides hitting the market, and today we're diving deep into Lexus's refreshed superstar. The NX has always been one of Lexus's best-selling models, but this time the brand is aiming for an even bigger leap and more refinement, more technology, more efficiency, and more personality. So buckle up as we take you through every corner of the new NX, from its bold front fascia to the tech-rich interior, performance options, pricing, and whether this luxury crossover still holds its crown for 2026. Exterior. Starting with the front, the first thing you'll notice is that Lexus has finally reworked its signature spindle grille. For years, this grille has been the most controversial element of the NX, but now it's sleeker, cleaner, and more sculpted. Instead of the aggressive hourglass shape, the new NX features a more unified panel with the subtle mesh pattern integrated more naturally into the bumper. It still looks bold, but no longer in an over-the-top way. The headlights sharpen this statement even further. Lexus has moved to slimmer triple-beam LED headlights that cut across the front like precision blades. The accent lighting now forms a more seamless checkmark shape, creating a futuristic but elegant look. The hood lines gently taper toward the grille, giving the NX a sense of motion even when it's parked. It feels premium, modern, and unmistakably Lexus, but also more mature compared to previous years. Moving along to the side, the 2026 NX keeps its compact proportions but adds more visual confidence with redesigned character lines. The shoulder line now sits higher, stretching from the front fender all the way to the taillights, making the SUV look longer and more athletic. The wheel arches are slightly more pronounced and house wheels that now range from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim. The F-Sport variant, of course, pushes things further with gloss black mirrors, sporty wheel designs, and lowered stance cues that give it a performance-oriented appearance. Lexus also updated the window design to give the NX a more coupe-like silhouette. The floating roof effect is now sharper thanks to a thicker blacked-out C-pillar, and chrome accents run subtly along the window trim to keep things classy but not flashy. The side profile of the NX was already one of its best features, and this 2026 version just refines what was already working. Swinging around to the back, Lexus continues its new design language with a wide, full-width LED light bar that spans from edge to edge. It's brighter, with deeper red tones, and the Lexus script sits neatly in the center. The taillights themselves are more three-dimensional, giving the NX a futuristic glow at night. The rear bumper now incorporates cleaner lines without unnecessary angles. Exhaust outlets remain hidden to maintain Lexus's modern and eco-forward design direction, especially with hybrid models. The spoiler up top stretches longer than before, improving aerodynamics while giving the NX a sportier tail. Overall, the rear design ties together the athletic look of the SUV and gives it a presence that stands out in this crowded segment. Interior. Now stepping inside, the 2026 Lexus NX continues its tradition of delivering premium comfort and advanced technology. Lexus has refined its cockpit to feel even more driver-centric, with the touchscreen angled perfectly toward the driver. The new 15-inch higher-resolution display is standard on most trims, and its interface is much smoother and more intuitive than previous versions. Haptic controls on the steering wheel have been improved to avoid accidental touches, and the digital gauge cluster now comes with more customizable layouts, including sport displays for performance-oriented drivers. The materials throughout cabin feel like genuine luxury. Soft-touch leather, open-pore wood, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting combine to create a warm, upscale atmosphere. Lexus has also enhanced the seating comfort with updated cushioning and better lumbar support. Higher trims offer heated, ventilated, and even massaging front seats. The rear seats offer solid legroom for a compact SUV, and the cargo area remains practical, especially with the adjustable floor feature. The Mark Levinson premium sound system returns and is richer than ever, offering deep bass and crisp clarity across all 17 speakers. Connectivity is another strong point. with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, cloud-based navigation, and the smoothest voice assistant Lexus has ever offered. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 NX offers multiple powertrains to cater to different driving preferences. The NX 250 remains the entry-level model with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine delivering smooth but modest power for daily commuting. The NX 350 Turbo ups the excitement with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine producing around 275 horsepower, giving the SUV solid acceleration and confident highway passing power. For those aiming for efficiency, Lexus continues to offer the NX 350 hybrid, combining gasoline and electric motors for excellent fuel economy without sacrificing responsiveness. But the real star is the NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid, which delivers strong power, instant torque from its electric motor, and an electric-only driving range that makes city commuting nearly gas-free. This PHEV model remains the quickest NX and one of the most refined in the segment. Lexus has also reworked the suspension tuning for 2026, providing a smoother ride while still offering sharp handling. The F-Sport adds adaptive dampers and stiff-on springs, making the SUV feel tighter and more engaging when cornering. Noise insulation has been improved across all trims, giving the NX one of the quietest cabins in the class. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus NX sees a slight increase due to added technology and refined materials, but it still remains competitive. The base NX 250 starts around the mid-$40,000 range, making it an accessible entry point into luxury. The turbocharged NX 350 pushes into the low $50,000s, while the hybrid NX 350 lands just slightly above that depending on options. The plug-in hybrid NX 450 Plus remains the most premium offering, starting in the mid-$60,000 range and going higher with F-Sport handling and luxury packages. Considering the combination of comfort, design, technology, and reliability that Lexus brings, the pricing continues to feel justified, especially compared to European competitors that can get expensive quickly with options. As we wrap up, the 2026 Lexus NX continues to build on the strengths that made it one of the most popular luxury crossovers on the market while addressing the areas that needed improvement. It's more refined, more technologically advanced, better to drive, and more stylish without losing the subtle, classy charm that Lexus fans love. Whether you're looking for a smooth daily commuter, a tech-packed family hauler, or an efficient plug-in hybrid, the NX lineup has something for almost everyone. And with Lexus's strong reputation for reliability and resale value, the 2026 NX stands out as one of the smartest choices in the compact luxury SUV world. Thanks for watching Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus NX, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which car or SUV you want us to break down next. Until then, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.